Hello everyone. So in this video we will be talking about TCS coding test for batch of 2025. So today many candidates got this mail in which the mail is directly from the TCS carrier. They have mentioned greetings from TCS. Opportunity don't knock twice. This one just did. We truly appreciate the effort and the potential you demonstrated during the recruitment process earlier and believe that you enhanced your skill sets. We are excited to present a unique opportunity to get hired for TCS. Stand a chance to secure us TCS offer with a salary up to 11.59 LP, which is TCS Prime. As a next step, we will be scheduling a coding specific test process, and more details on the same will be shared in the coming weeks. Kindly request you to fill the form. Okay, so what is this? Let's discuss about this. Okay, so first of all, I just want to inform you guys that the candidates who have participated in the process of TCS NQT 2025. Okay, so many candidates today got this coding test mail today. This is the coding test mail. Okay, why it is so? So basically, this is the test in which even if you got TCS Ninja previously, but you can participate in this test, which is a coding test conducted by TCS, and you can upgrade your profile till TCS Prime. Okay, how it happens, I will explain you. So basically, TCS conducts the coding test. The name of the coding test is basically TCS tag coding test. Generally, they conduct this test after TCS code beta. Okay, so it will be like very similar to TCS code beta, TCS tech coding round. Okay, that is also a offline test. I'll explain you. So what actually happens when TCS code beta happens? After the TCS code beta, there is a test called TCS tech coding test. Similar kind of TCS tech coding test you will be getting if you want TCS digital or TCS prime profile. Okay, now what is this TCS tag coding test? Okay, so basically TCS tag coding test is a particular coding test which consists only the coding questions. You will not get any aptitude question. You will not get any like reasoning question, English question, nothing you will be getting. You will be only getting the coding question. Generally, this test happens after TCS Code Beta, but this year they are reconsidering the application for TCS NQT for the higher profiles. That's why they are conducting it. Okay, now talking about the main thing, how many coding questions we get. See, if I talk about year, like last year, till last year, it contains two coding questions. For both coding question, no question is easy, no question is hard. Okay, they ask you two coding question, the level of the both coding questions will be medium only. Okay, both coding questions will be medium. They put like seven test cases per question. So there will be total 14 test cases. Okay, what we have seen previously is for TCS digital, the general cutoff is one coding question plus, like you need to solve one coding question fully, then in second coding question you need to pass some test cases. For TCS prime, you need to solve around 2 by 2 coding question. It also depends how the coding question was articulated. The major thing is what will be the level of the coding question. See, first of all, I want to tell you the coding questions can be story based, little bit long. Okay, little long, but the coding questions will be most probably of lead code medium level, lead code medium level, and they generally ask the coding questions from the topics array, strings, maps, set, sets, okay, and heaps, stack, queue, greedy, 1D DP, 2D DP, and uh, sometimes they can ask you the question from complex maths algorithm. Okay, generally I have not seen any graph question till now, but I am not sure if they will ask it or not. But the level of the question will be not much tough. Okay, it will be medium level only, and the main target of the question is to pass the 7 test cases which they provide. Okay, for both coding question two, you there will be total 14 test cases. Okay, to prepare it, basically you can see that coding questions of code vita. Very similar questions like code vita they ask. Okay, also for the offline coding system, the input output is tough. Input output is tough. I already created video on input output, so you can watch that also. Okay, so this kind of coding assessment you will be getting TCS Tech coding test. Okay, I hope you guys are now aware what kind of test will be there, and thank you so much for watching.